Imagine an island shaped like a palm tree, emerging from the clear blue waters of the Arabian Gulf. This is no fantasy, this is Palm Island. Nestled off the coast of Dubai in the United Arab Emirates, this man-made marvel is a testament to human ingenuity and architectural prowess. Fashioned in the likeness of a palm tree, this colossal engineering feat is divided into two main islands, Palm Jumeirah and Palm Deira. Their unique shape, visible even from space, is a sight to behold. The mastermind behind this project is the Palm Jumeirah Development Company, Nakheel, who embarked on this ambitious journey back in 2001. The island is more than just a spectacle. It's a haven of luxury resorts, residential apartments, and villas, offering an unparalleled living experience amidst shopping and entertainment facilities. In 2001, the vision of Palm Island started to take shape, marking the beginning of a fascinating journey. In 2001, the dream of Palm Island started to become a reality. What was once just a vision began to take shape off the coast of Dubai, United Arab Emirates. The Palm Island, designed to resemble a palm tree when viewed from above, is a testament to human ingenuity and ambition. This grand vision was brought to life by the Palm Jumeirah Development Company, Nakheel, who embarked on this colossal engineering project with a relentless determination. The journey to creating Palm Island was far from smooth sailing. The sheer scale of the project presented a multitude of challenges. The first hurdle was to build a barrier to protect the island from the waves of the Arabian Gulf. This was achieved by constructing a crescent-shaped breakwater, using millions of tons of rock and sand. The construction of this protective shield was a feat of engineering in itself, but it was just the beginning. Once the breakwater was in place, the next challenge was to raise the ground level. This was accomplished by dredging sand from the seafloor and spraying it in a process known as rainbowing. The process was repeated countless times until the land was raised to the desired level. But the challenges didn't stop there. The salty sea sand was not suitable for construction or plant growth, so vast amounts of desert sand had to be transported to the island. Additionally, millions of cubic meters of rock were required to build the island's infrastructure, including the breakwater and the roads. Despite these immense challenges, the visionaries behind Palm Island remained undeterred. They believed in the potential of this project to redefine luxury and leisure, to create a world-class destination like no other. And so, they persevered, overcoming every obstacle that stood in their way. The birth of Palm Island was not just about constructing an island, it was about pushing the boundaries of what's possible. It was about transforming a dream into reality, a barren sea into a lush oasis. Despite the challenges, the vision of Palm Island remained undeterred, laying the foundation for a world-class destination. As Palm Island emerged from the sea, it began to sparkle with luxury and grandeur. A jewel in the crown of Dubai, Palm Island soon began to glitter with breathtaking real estate developments. Picture this: luxury resorts, residential apartments, and villas, all masterfully designed and built to offer the utmost comfort and luxury. Each property, a masterpiece in its own right, offers stunning panoramic views of the sun-kissed Arabian Sea and the glittering skyline of Dubai. But Palm Island isn't just about luxury accommodations. It's an entire world of entertainment and leisure, waiting to be explored. Imagine strolling along pristine sandy beaches, soaking up the sun, or taking a refreshing dip in the crystal-clear waters. For those who love shopping, the island boasts a range of high-end boutiques and shopping centers, offering an exquisite shopping experience. And then, there's the tantalizing array of fine dining options. From traditional Emirati cuisine to international gourmet dishes, the island's restaurants serve up a feast for the senses. Whether you're a foodie in search of culinary delights or someone looking for a memorable dining experience, Palm Island has you covered. The island's entertainment facilities extend beyond shopping and dining. There are state-of-the-art gyms for fitness enthusiasts, tranquil spas for those seeking relaxation, and a myriad of recreational activities to keep guests of all ages entertained. The developer, Palm Jumeirah Development Company, or Nakheel, envisioned Palm Island as a place where luxury meets entertainment, and they've certainly achieved that vision. Every detail, from the stunning architecture to the top-notch amenities, reflects this commitment to creating an unparalleled living and leisure experience. But what makes Palm Island truly unique is its blend of luxury and nature. Amid all the grandeur, the island maintains a close connection with the natural world. Beautifully landscaped gardens, azure waters, and stunning sunsets create a tranquil oasis that stands in stark contrast to the bustling city life of Dubai. Palm Island, an oasis of luxury and entertainment, was now ready to welcome the world. With its stunning real estate developments and world-class entertainment facilities, the island doesn't just offer a place to stay. It offers a lifestyle, a dream that has been brought to life in the heart of the Arabian Sea. Palm Island is not just a home, it's a destination. A veritable treasure trove of tourist attractions, Palm Island offers an array of experiences that cater to every taste and preference. Let's start with Atlantis, the Palm. More than just a hotel, Atlantis is a world unto itself. With its large aquarium, the Lost Chamber, and a plethora of entertainment activities, it's an attraction that captivates the imagination like no other. Then we have the Versace residences, a testament to the opulence and grandeur synonymous with the Italian fashion house. These luxury apartments, offering stunning views of the Arabian Gulf, are the epitome of haute couture living. Next up is Dubai, the residences, a haven for those who appreciate modern design and high-quality facilities. Its central location provides easy access to Dubai's main attractions. For those seeking a more exclusive experience, Canary Wharf offers luxury villas and apartments with unique designs and top-notch facilities, not to mention its own private beach. Anantara Dubai the Palm is another attraction that shouldn't be missed. With a variety of leisure and dining facilities, it offers a luxurious accommodation experience complete with access to a private beach. Last, but certainly not least, are the Sofitel Dubai the Palm residences. These luxury apartments offer stunning views and integrated facilities, including swimming pools and fine dining restaurants. Each attraction on Palm Island offers a unique experience, making every visit unforgettable. Living on Palm Island is like living a dream. This is a world where luxury accommodation is the norm, with modern apartments and villas offering stunning vistas and state-of-the-art amenities. Shopping is an experience in itself, with high-fashion brands and exquisite boutiques lining the streets. Entertainment options are vast, from world-class restaurants to thrilling water sports. Life on Palm Island is a blend of luxury, comfort, and entertainment, creating a paradise on Earth. Palm Island is more than just an island, it's a testament to human ingenuity. A marvel of modern engineering, this palm-shaped wonder off the coast of Dubai encapsulates the boldness and grandeur of the United Arab Emirates. This artificial island, created by the Nakheel Development Company, symbolizes a daring vision brought to life. From the inception of its infrastructure works in 2001 to its present-day splendor, Palm Island showcases luxury and innovation at every turn. It's not just a place to live, it's a lifestyle, offering luxury resorts, apartments, and villas, all with breathtaking views of the Arabian Sea. But it's more than just a feast for the eyes. Palm Island provides a plethora of entertainment facilities, from sandy beaches to shopping areas and fine dining restaurants. It's a destination that offers a unique blend of relaxation and excitement, catering to every whim and desire. Palm Island, a palm-shaped marvel in the Arabian Gulf, is a destination that truly captures the spirit of Dubai.